Friends, open PicsArt app. Now select this plus icon. Now select edit a photo and select the background. The background I created, the background link in the description. First step, go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is my model image. Okay. Now select the cutout option, cutout. Now select the brush option, brush. Zoom in and draw inside the model. Okay. Only draw inside the model. Okay. By using the eraser tool, you have to erase the unwanted border portions. Only draw on model. Now tap on tick mark. It is how it looks after erasing background. Simply zoom out and arrange perfectly like I arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Now have to save this image. Okay, tap on save. Tap on this reverse arrow. Now select this save draft. Now come up and select the background. Now select the white color. Now tap on tools. Now tap on crop. Now select the 16:9 ratio. Now tap on tick mark. Scroll up. Select the add photo and select the splash PNG. And zoom out. This is the PNG. And stretch out and arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Okay, you have to arrange it perfectly like I am doing in the video. Arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the image which we edited before. This is the image we edited before. Zoom out. Scroll up. Select the blend option. Now select the screen option and keep it perfectly like I am doing in the video. Okay. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the further PNG. When this is a further PNG, simply arrange it on the right side portion, zoom out little bit and arrange in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to tools option, select the adjust option. Now select the saturation option, increase the saturation to around 50. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on FX. Now select the simple option, simple, scroll to the left. Now select the Lomo option, Lomo. Decrease the amount to 0, vignette to 0. Now select the eraser option on the top. Now select the background. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the light PNG. Then this is the light PNG. Scroll up, select the blend option. Now select the screen option and arrange on the right side top here. Right side top. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to text option. Now select Happy Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. Now tap on done. Tap on tick. Now select this Banya font and arrange below it like I am doing in the video. Arrange perfectly under it. Happy Republic Day. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special Republic Day photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the final output. Okay. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.